always wanted to sound like a singing sensation? Well, now you can, to an extent, in the new update to Suno 5.5. Here's how to do it.
Right, first up, I click on the Add Your Voice to the Mix, try now. And then, probably important thing here is you've got the disclaimer. I understand that the creation of a voice involves the processing of voice-related data that may be considered biometric information under certain laws, and I consent to the collection and processing of such information in accordance with the Suno Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. So if you're not keen on that, stop now. But I'll give it a go. So I'm going to click yes. A couple other points. You require a good microphone helps. Record at least 10 seconds. Pick a quiet spot. Sing in the style and language you want. I'm going country and western. And here, I'm not going to record. I've got a file already. Upload video. Upload audio. Got my file there in my style. And then 46 seconds I've got. Sun beating down on a Saturday noon. Grass growing wild like it's got nothing to lose. Awesome. We'll start with that. So I want to use voice. We need to verify that it's me. This is sort of a confirmation. Give it a go. Singing soft melodies under the bright starry skies. So that's just to verify me. I think that's to avoid just sort of copying other people. So we'll see if I sung like myself enough. Got it. And how would you describe your singing? How would I describe it? I'm going to say I can carry a tune. Thanks. Now we'll see what the magic happens. Name this, I'm going to say, I'm going to call it, my song's about mowing a lawn, so I'm going to put lawn mowing. I'm going to put, I don't know, I'll put country and western here. That's how I felt about it. And we'll save and we'll see what happens. Well, personas, what used to have personas are now voices. Record or upload your voice and use it to create anything. So that's one change. So voice successfully. I'm going to go, I'm going to drop in my lyrics. Lyrics I generated about lawn mowing. So I'll drop those in. My country and western song, I guess that's my style, and I'll press styles. I'll just put country and western there again. Create and see what happens. And here is my first song.
Sun beating down on a Saturday noon. Grass growing wild like it's got nothing to lose. Sweat on my brow, boots in the dirt. That backyard jungle's gonna make me work. Pull that cord, hear that engine roar like a steel string song I've heard before. I'm cutting lines in the summer grass, watching all that tall green fall down fast.
So that was interesting. I'll give that a pass. Hard to judge yourself. Here's the other one.
I'm cutting lines in the summer grass, watching all that tall green fall down fast. Back and forth, row by row, where it ends, Lord only knows. Empty that catcher, fill it again, chasing that clean-cut edge, my friend. Hot sun burning, but I won't pass till I'm done with these lines in the summer grass.
So it's quite a bit going on with that AI Suno Your Voice. Let me know how you go in the comments below.